Hey, everybody. It's Drew. I just wanted to share the celebratory message that the Dow Jones and other indexes, whatever. I'm so good at saying words, clearly. Um, is at all-time highs. I'm very, very, very happy. I made some very good bets. And let's take a look at the screen on TradingView. Um, yeah, I mean, look at this chart. Like, clearly, we're very strong breaking out of this major range. I don't know where it's going, but I know one thing. I put a lot of money into some cryptos, and historically, when Dow Jones Industrial Averages or Dow Jones Industrial Average hits an all-time high and continues upward, so do cryptos. For example, I scaled into a bunch of ADA dollar cost average at 31 cents. I'm up already, looks like 3-1 on my investment. Not trailing this stop until it hits a pullback and continues up. XRP is in the largest breakout mode I've ever seen on any chart. All we need is some sort of trading and closing of candles in some imbalance zone for this, little range to be imbalanced and the market to continue up this way, and this range to be imbalanced, and then this range to be imbalanced, and therefore this range to be imbalanced, where all the bears who have their stops at this level and this level and these levels will want to quickly cover their shorts. This market is not going down. Bulls will know that they are going to long this market. The 2-1 of this whole range. Let's take a look. Is I think at that $6 mark. That's where I'm hitting a lot of my profit taking. Gonna exit out a lot. I'm cautious of this area, right? But I'm going to ride up my stops as this continues to march up. Totally exiting everything around $9 here for my 3-1 target of the entire range. Bitcoin, send the shit upward. We are not getting a reversal at the 50%. It's a failed breakout, failed build, fair. I can't fucking talk, everybody. Can't talk. Failed bear breakout at the 50%. So if we trade above these levels on the monthly, we're getting above those monthly breakout candles. Bears are going to want to cover. Bulls are going to want to long. Looking for the test at the top of the range. If we trade anywhere above here, I think we're going to go much higher. Not much higher, but at least maybe 90,000. Market looks good. Let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. Whoop. Let's go on the 1 day. Looks like a bull flag breaking out. Could get another pullback. Also on the other totals, we are getting a confirmation of breakout on the larger range. I mean, these charts look so good. Even for the range. Let's take a look at what happened today on the E-mini chart. Oh, this is 5 minutes here. So you can see I caught the swing up from here to here. Retrace down And I knew the market wasn't going to get below this area. You can remember what I was saying over there earlier, right? Not going to go below there. This is a range in a very large trend. Um, if it were, then it would probably retrace up and then head back down. But we got great news from the FOMC meeting, and that just gave all the market makers and everybody, um, just really like, I don't know, like just the green light to go ahead and long the rest of this and hit this double bottom, right? And yeah, I can't see us slowing down from here unless if this is just going to be, which I doubt, a eventual failed breakout of the range, but doubt it. Severely doubt it. I think we're gonna go high. So yeah, just wanted to celebrate. I'm very, 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 very happy. Um, I almost cried because my life, like all my life, I've just been working very, very hard on myself and everything, and I've gone through tons of trials and tribulations and resolved like myself internally, and dedicated myself to studying something that I feel like is so difficult to um, grasp. I mean, it's not difficult. It just requires a lot of discipline, and I'm really proud. So I'm hoping to reap the benefit of my hard work. Um, so yeah, I'm just still looking at the chart here and really making sure, like, okay, like, is this for real? Because it is going to get really exciting really soon. So I'm excited for crypto. I'm excited for broader markets. Um, yeah, just wanted to share my excitement. It'll be embarrassing if this is just the top of the range, but I really think that we are going to continue to send this up. So yeah. All right. See you later. Just wanted to share my excitement. Bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. Bye.